Africa is quite unique in a number of ways, in the sense that it's leapfrogged the fixed line revolution and has jumped straight into mobile telephony.
There's never been a scenario where a company has been able to bridge the divide between the financial system and the masses.
Fintech is important as an enabler of multiple opportunities for Africans across the continent.
Optasia is a technology platform that has enabled almost 700 million people to access financial inclusion across 40 markets in the world. We use very sophisticated algorithms and technology to score those customers and disperse the money to them. I thought if this works in Nigeria, obviously it has to work elsewhere. And before we knew, we were operating in about 18 African countries, and now we're in 42 countries across the world.
The bank's African footprint is really critical in terms of where Optasia operates and the support that they need. They play across Africa. And what they really wanted was a partner that could come in and support them and have insights and knowledge into each and every one of those countries.
I think the relationship with Standard Bank is very good because it always comes down to the people you're working with. If the people take the time to understand your business, just like we took the time to understand what the consumer wants, then it's a win-win situation. Banks need to adapt to the new way and the new generation that is actually transforming the continent. Remember, we're empowering tens of millions of people. On average, we have 120 million customers every month engaging with the platform.
Countries are built by entrepreneurs. They're largely built by people with ideas. And those people typically struggle with access to capital. And I think it is that access that fintech provides to these individuals that I think is really going to start powering the growth of Africa, creating a new generation of entrepreneurs.
Let's take a woman in a village that needs to buy some textiles. To go to a branch is probably 100 kilometers away. Big financial institutions, to score a customer and give them 2,000 or 3,000 rands cost them a lot of money. So with our technology, we know who that customer is. We are then able to offer them a short-term loan for them, say, to be able to go to buy that textile, sew it, and then sell it onto the market, pay back the loan plus the service charge.
My name is Okoye Williams. I'm from Anambra State. I own a fabric store at Yaba. I believe every young man aspires to be great in life. If I didn't get access to the loan, I believe the business will not be where it is now. Without the loan, the business was lagging. It was going slower. Access to credit on my phone makes life easy. I can easily make payment of goods and services without any stress. Now, the business is at a greater height thanks to the loan. I would want to grow my business to a point where it's able to employ other workers and also to make sure that I have a healthy and wealthy life ahead. There is always a better tomorrow. Keep working hard. One day you'll get there.
I'm an African. I was born in Nigeria. I grew up there, and I've been to more than 34 African countries. I operate in more than 18 of those countries. All my hopes are on Africa. I mean, if there was any bet I was going to put, it's going to be on this continent.
I believe in here because Africa has the power and the ability to harness its potential in a way that exceeds the expectations of the world.